Umfazi nakazala, when a woman gives birth, as 'n vrou geboorte gee, daar's 3 fasse wat moet plaasvind. Daar's 3 dinge wat moet plaasvind. There are 3 things that must take place when a woman gives birth. Number 1, it's the breaking of the water. Amanzi. Number 2, it's the following of the blood. Number 3, udoktor uthatha lo mntwana ambamba ambhekise phasi amshaya la kumabhatho namshaya lo mntwana khipha igwebu athi lo mntwana I am here, I have arrived, I am well, I am Are you with me? Amen. Now watch now. That was the breaking of what? Of the water. The falling of what? Of the blood. Bese khipha igwebu bese kulandela ini umphefumulo life. Let me ask you a question. When Jesus hung on the cross, I said the first Adam was speared on the left. Jesus was speared on the same part. Now, the same part where Jesus, the last Adam, was speared. Guess what? Allow me to say again, this is the third man that is pregnant. Pregnant, and it makes sense. Jesus was also pregnant. As much as Eve was in Adam, you and I, we were in Jesus. How do I know Jesus was pregnant? I'm going to prove to you. What happened? Waphuma in amanzi. Walandela in. Wasinangan. Wathi baba uthi well, wathi baba esandleni zakho nginikela yini umphefumulo. Umfazi nakazala yini amanzi igazi umphefumulo. uJesu amanzi igazi. Wathi baba, into thy hand I commit my spirit. Ibandla lazalwa in the book of Acts chapter 2 umoya engcwele nawuvela. Are you with me? Last statement, let me say this. That is why each and every one of us, did you know that your mortal body, your physique body, it was created and patterned and fashioned in the manner of heaven. Going to show you. Inhliziyo ina 4 yama chamber, is that right?
Yeah.
2 on the upper and 2 below, is that right? Ufuna nilalele very carefully. Lalela very carefully. uNkulunkulu naka create umzimba, he studied heaven. Then God made you. I'm going to show you how.